It's been amazing to see the brilliant army of volunteers stepping forward over the past few weeks to offer support to tackle coronavirus in our communities in Buckinghamshire. As an independent charity which supports community groups, charities and volunteers across the county, we at Community Impact Bucks are working with voluntary organisations throughout Buckinghamshire who are providing practical help, advice, and in many cases, the only social contact people have. At the moment, we are all focused on tackling the coronavirus outbreak, but the problems and challenges that charities are there to address, poverty, long-term health conditions, domestic abuse, disability, mental ill health, loneliness, and a whole range of issues, they are all still there as well, and they will likely get worse over the coming weeks and months as the impact of coronavirus on people's health, well-being, and finances grows. Charities and community groups are having to adapt quickly, often with limited resources, to try to deliver their services in different ways at a time when they are needed more than ever. The financial support that the government has made available to employers is not suitable for many charities. We cannot simply furlough our workers. We need to keep our vital services running, despite losing almost all of the usual sources of income. So many fundraising events such as the London Marathon have been cancelled, and the closure of charity shops, community cafes, and the loss of attendance fees has also had a devastating impact on charity income. Many charities and social enterprises are now having to make hard decisions about their future. Charities like Lindengate, a brilliant organisation based near Wendover that uses specialised gardening activities to help those with mental health needs in their continuing recovery. As a mental health charity, they provide valuable services which take some of the load off the NHS, and they expect the need for this kind of mental health support to increase vastly as a result of the pandemic. But because they've had to close their doors, they've seen a sharp drop in income, while they're still incurring their running costs and they're having to use their reserves to cover that. They won't be alone, and when we surveyed Bucks voluntary groups in January, nearly a fifth of respondents had less than 3 months' worth of reserves to see them through a crisis like this. If local charities and voluntary organisations fail, there will be a devastating impact on Buckinghamshire's capacity for organising and mobilising volunteers and connecting them with those who are relying on help coming. It really is the case that every day counts. To fight for the survival of these vital services in the county, Community Impact Bucks is asking you to join us in the Everyday Counts campaign, asking the government and local MPs for help to save the services that people in Bucks depend upon. To join in, share your stories of how you've been helped by charities or voluntary groups in Buckinghamshire. Tell the world how your group makes a difference. Get on social media and write to your MP. Tag Community Impact Bucks and use the hashtag EveryDayCounts. Thank you.